cover our dry wall to prevent it to have water spilled over that can cause mold. This is the pre-filter, this is the post-filter. Pre-filter is supposed to replace every 3 to 6 months. Post-filter is every 9 to 1 year. First, we need to turn off all the water supply. This will go through here, but blocking all the water. Okay, now this is closed. No water flow inside while we were changing. Now, unscrew the valve, not completely, and let all the water drain off. Okay, good. Everything is ready to replace. Use this provided to loosen. So it depends. Usually it is anti-clockwise, but this thing works differently. You do the clockwise to loosen. Okay, not anti-clockwise. Okay, so it's loosened now. We can manually open. This is the old one. Now we use the paper towel to clean everything inside because there are dirt and maybe some oil. You never know. See? Look at that. You see? There's some deposit of dirt. And we are ready to install the new filter. Actually touch it. Avoid touching with your hand. Okay. And we are all set. Go. Okay, so we need to tighten. This time is anti-clockwise, but not too tight though. Okay, good enough. As long as no water spilling after the installation, this is good. We need to tighten the valve. But not too hard, because in the past I broke those area. So avoid. Good enough. All done. Final. Let all the water go back. And let's wait for a while, see anything leaking. So check back 5 or 10 minutes later.